when you arrive here on the first mission, you're gonna see that there is a link, understanding the mission, which leads to another page. So this is the page for the mission 1. If you wanna read now and start looking, okay, it's fine. Mission 1, we are gonna solve problems for the sales reports, and then we're gonna compare the gross sales, net sales, discount percentage, and gross margin. This will be our first goal, our second goal, and here you have the overview of the full mission. So every single mission from 1 to 5, and of course the final mission as well, has a page like this. So you can read, understand the problem, and then start solving. The database for solving these missions are all here. For example, mission 1 has this is the link for the website, and here you can download the data. Nice. So it's a very hands-on course that you're gonna practice a lot and learn Power BI by practicing. That's the best way to learn. Nice. I hope you enjoy. See you in the next lesson.